Presenting the paper tube compression tester, a high-precision testing instrument designed to evaluate the compressive strength and load-bearing capacity of paper tubes, cores, and cylindrical packaging materials. In industries such as paper converting, textile winding, packaging, and film manufacturing, paper tubes and cores play a critical structural role. These tubes must withstand stacking pressure, winding tension, and transportation loads without deformation or collapse. The paper tube compression tester ensures that every tube meets the required strength standards for reliable performance. Complies with international standards. Contact us today to learn how the paper tube compression tester can enhance your packaging strength and reliability testing.